afternoon to all of you. In our previous class, we have already discussed about symmetry, line of symmetry, and mirror halves. Let's revise them first. First of all, we have to understand the term symmetry. Okay, what does symmetry means? Symmetry means that one part of a shape become exactly like the another part when you move it in one way, turn, flip, or slide. It means one part of any shape or any design become exactly like the another one when you turn it or flip it or slide it. Let's take an example. This is a picture of human face. Can you divide our face into both similar parts? Then answer will be yes. We can divide human face into two similar mirror halves. Now my question is that does the one part will look like the another one? Just see here in the picture. There is one eye in the left side, there is another eye in the right side. There is one ear in the left side, there is one ear in the right side. So it seems that this line is dividing our face into two similar halves. Okay, so human face is a symmetrical face. Not only the face, human's body is a symmetrical shape body. Okay, now let's find out when we consider about two objects. For two objects to be symmetrical, they must be same size and shape, with one object having a different orientation from the first. It is compulsory that their size and shape should be same. Maybe they are different in their orientation form. Okay, अभी हम समझते हैं हम सिमेट्री का मतलब क्या समझते हैं। पहले सिमेट्री का मतलब ये है कोई भी एक डिजाइन का या फिर कोई भी एक शेप का एक पार्ट अगर दूसरे पार्ट से एग्जैक्टली सेम हो, अगर हम उसको टर्न कर दें या फिर उल्टा कर दें, फ्लिप कर दें, तो अगर दोनों ही पार्ट सेम हो तो उसको हम सिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं। और दो ऑब्जेक्ट में हम सिमेट्रिकल कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे? दोनों में साइज और शेप बिल्कुल सेम होनी चाहिए एंड भले ही उनका ओरिएंटेशन फॉर्म अलग हो. It may be different in their orientation form. Maybe their orientation form is horizontal or maybe their orientation form is in vertical. Okay. There are many type of symmetries. One of the most important symmetry is mirror halves. Let's know about this. We had already discussed in our previous class that mirror halves divide a figure or design or a shape into two similar halves that are mirror images. ओके, इट मीन्स मिरर हाफ्स जो है वो एक शेप को या फिगर को या डिजाइन को दो सिमिलर मिरर हाफ्स में डिवाइड करता है. दोनों ही दोनों सेम होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डज मिरर इमेजेस मीन्स. Okay, I think you have also seen that when you look at the mirror and you move your left hand, the person in the mirror will move his right hand. This is called a mirror image. They are maybe same in size and shape, but there is slight bit difference in their orientation form. If you move any left hand, the person in the mirror will move his right hand. Another thing which we have discussed before, that the line that divide a figure or a design into two similar halves, that line is known as line of symmetry. We have discussed this before. So let's take an example and see a picture. This is a triangle shape. Can you draw any line through this that can divide this shape into two similar halves? Yes. This is the line which can divide this shape into two similar halves. There may be any other line also, but this is the simple line which we got, that this will divide this shape into two similar halves. Okay. And this line is known as, can you tell me? Line of symmetry. And these two are the two parts which has been created. These are two similar mirror halves. To understand this concept better, let's see how does mirror image looks like. Just imagine that if the shape is in the left side, that is the original object, and the shape created in the right side is the image created on the mirror. There may be a slight difference in their orientation form, but the size and the shape always remain the same. Like in this case, in the first object, which is the original one, in that object the lines are facing towards the right, and in the right object, which one is the image created on the mirror, in that object the lines were facing towards the left. So that is the only orientation difference which in the mirror images. Okay, now let's take on another image. Look at these two pictures. One of them is original one and another one is the image created in the mirror. As we have already discussed, the size and shape will remain same for both real object and the image. Only differences will be in their orientation form. Like in this picture, first one in the left side is showing towards right, and the second one in the right side that is showing towards left. यहाँ पे आप फर्क देखिए, जो लेफ्ट साइड में हमारे लेफ्ट साइड में जो है वो ओरिजिनल पिक्चर है एंड जो राइट साइड में जो है वो मिरर इमेज है। तो इन दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है? जो ओरिजिनल पिक्चर है वो राइट साइड को फेस कर रही है एंड जो मिरर इमेज है वो लेफ्ट साइड को फेस कर रही है। जस्ट एक ही डिफरेंस है ओरिएंटेशन में, ये एक राइट साइड को फेस कर रही है, एक लेफ्ट साइड को फेस कर रही है, और बाकी से साइज एंड शेप दोनों के दोनों सेम ही हैं, बराबर ही हैं। तो इसको समझना आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। मिरर इमेज का मतलब क्या होता है? साइज एंड शेप may be remain same but the orientation form will be difference. Okay, when you flip one shape then both the same will become exactly the same one. जब आप एक शेप, इनमें से कोई भी एक शेप को उल्टा कर दोगे तब दोनों ही दोनों exactly बराबर हो जाएंगे. So you can try this type of experiment in your home also with a mirror. Now let's try to understand mirror image with another example. Now see here, the image in the left side is the real one and the image on the right side is the image created in the mirror. Let's find out the other speciality of mirror image. Just see here, there are 3 points in the first shape, in the original one, A, B and C, and each point are in equal distance from the mirror in left and right side consecutively. Now task for you is that do this kind of experiment with the mirror you have and send me the pic of proof. Okay, so अभी हम ये देखते हैं और क्या क्या स्पेशलिटी है मिरर इमेजेस में। हमें ऑलरेडी पता है कि जो मिरर इमेजेस होते हैं उनके साइज एंड शेप तो हमेशा सेम रहता है। फ़र्क कहाँ होता है? बस ओरिएंटेशन फॉर्म में फ़र्क होता है, मे बी कोई लेफ्ट को फेस कर रहा हो, कोई राइट को फेस कर रहा हो। और क्या स्पेशलिटी होती है मिरर इमेजेस में? और ये होता है मिरर से जो ओरिजिनल ऑब्जेक्ट है वो जितना दूर में होता है, जो इमेज क्रिएट होगा वो भी उतना ही दूर में क्रिएट होगा। ओके, the distance between the original image and the mirror and the image created in the mirror is exactly the same. Okay, now let's move. Now let's take another example. The pic in the left side is the original one and the picture in the right side is the image created in the mirror. Look this picture very carefully. Look the similarities between them. There is a small circle in front of the picture. So these pictures are exactly same to each other. Only difference is there in their orientation form. Okay, now let's move forward. This is a task for you. This is a half part of a shape. You have to complete it using a mirror on the line given. Now pause the video and complete the shape. If you have completed, then come. Does your shape is look like this? If yes, then very good, you are doing very well. So this is a symmetric shape, as this line is dividing this shape into two similar half. Okay, now let's do another one. Your question is that does the dotted line divide the picture which will be given now into two similar halves? This is a picture. This is a picture of a rectangle and line is drawn by like this. Now question is for you is that, is this line is dividing this picture into two similar halves? Just pause the video, think and do this question in your copy. If you have completed, now let's discuss. If you put a mirror in this line, then it will look like the rectangle or not. Some of you may say yes, some of you may say no. So let's find out how it will look. Now see here, when we will put a mirror in the line given, then the picture which will created, this will look like this. There is a slight bit mistake by me, so let it, but the picture will look like this. Does the original picture will look like this? No. Let's see how does the original picture was. Okay, like this. So this line is not dividing this shape into two similar mirror halves. So in your book page number 9, there are some questions are there, in which what you have to do, you have to find out that the dotted line given below is dividing the picture into two similar halves or not. If that is dividing the picture, then you will write yes there. If that is not dividing the picture, then you will write no, and do how does the picture, how will the picture will look when that line will divide that picture into mirror halves. Okay, like I have drawn here the blue one which I have drawn. You have to draw this kind of picture. जब आप उस जो क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है पेज नंबर 9 में जो लाइन है उसको वो वहां पे अगर आप एक मिरर रख दोगे तो कैसा इमेज क्रिएट होगा वो भी लिखना है आपको, अगर वो लाइन डिवाइड नहीं कर रही है वो शेप को। ठीक है, दो जिसका भी आंसर आपका नो होगा आपको उसी को एक्सप्लेन करके लिखना होगा। ठीक है, नाउ डू सम मोर क्वेश्चन आंसर। Can you draw any line here which will divide this shape into two similar mirror halves? Let's try with a vertical line. I have already discussed about vertical line and horizontal line in our previous videos. So if you have any doubt related to that, then you can watch them. So now see here, if you draw a vertical line, then it is dividing the shape of T into two similar halves. So it is a symmetric shape. Now comes to the alphabet M. Can we divide this shape into two similar halves? Yes, why not? Let's draw a vertical line, and this line is dividing the shape into two similar mirror halves. Now let's do some more question to get the concept. Okay, this is a question from your book in page number 10. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into two similar halves? Just focus on the first one. Look at the picture very carefully. Can you draw any line which will divide this shape into two similar halves? Let's try with a vertical line. Is this line is dividing the shape into two similar halves? Yes, then you will write yes here. Okay, now come to the next one, next shape which has been given. Just try with a vertical line. Is this line is dividing the shape into two similar mirror halves? Yes, then you will write yes here. Now come to the third one. When you draw a vertical line, it also dividing the shape into two similar mirror halves. Maybe there look like difference in their orientation form, but the size and shape may remain same. In this case, we can also draw a horizontal line that may also divide this shape into two similar mirror halves, and you will write yes here. Now see the last picture of this row, that this scissor is also divided by this line into two similar mirror halves. So you'll write yes here. So there are many more questions are for you on page number 10. You have to do it, and after the completion of your task, then you will send me the picture. That's it for today guys. So thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.